Welcome back. We've learned how to read and extract subsets of text using indexing and slicing. Now, we begin exploring string methods, built-in functions that perform actions directly on a string object. We start with three essential methods used for data cleaning: the strip methods. One, the problem whitespace. A very common issue when accepting user input or reading data from files is extra whitespace. Spaces, tabs, or new lines attached to the beginning or end of a string. This can cause problems when trying to compare strings or use them in lookups. Let's look at an example. 2. The strip method. The strip method is your primary tool for cleaning up this whitespace. It removes any leading, beginning, and trailing end whitespace characters. Notice that the space between Python and course is preserved. The strip method only targets whitespace at the edges. 3. The specific stripping methods. What if you only want to remove spaces from one side? Python provides two specific methods for this: lstrip and rstrip. Lstrip stands for left strip, and it removes only the white space from the left, beginning, side of the string. Rstrip stands for right strip, and it removes only the white space from the right, trailing, side of the string. 4. Important concept: immutability. It is crucial to understand that strings in Python are immutable. This means that when you use a method like strip, you are not changing the original user input variable. Instead, the method creates and returns a new string with the changes. That's why we must assign the result to a new variable like clean input, or assign it back to the original variable like user input equals user input.strip. To summarize, the strip methods are fundamental for data cleanup, allowing you to remove unwanted leading and trailing whitespace, while lstrip and rstrip give you granular control over which end to clean. In our next lecture, 4.6, few more string methods, we will explore other essential string methods for tasks like changing case, checking content, and finding substrings. I'll see you there.